To Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaican top order batter Rashida Williams is remaining hopeful that there will be a regional season for West Indies women this year. Here is Ronaldo Brown.
An early end to the men's regional four-day championship brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 was quickly followed by the cancellation of all other regional tournaments, including the women's T20 Blaze and 50-over competition. However, even with the men's Super 50 being held entirely in Antigua in February, there is no word yet on whether there will be a regional women's competition for 2021. There's also the incentive of a spot at the 2022 Commonwealth Games for a team from the Caribbean. But while not looking too far ahead, Williams has her hopes pinned on a return of regional cricket.
I am still hopeful that we will get to have a competitive competition regionally this year. There's still hope, but I'm working hard on my game. So in the event that we have a competition, then I will be ready and I'll be able to start my class there.
Meanwhile, Williams also spoke about being able to play alongside her male counterparts at the domestic level.
It has helped my game mentally. You know, you have to be strong playing against male, mentally, physically, and emotionally, because trust me, as a female playing in a male-dominant sport against males, they are going to pressure you, and trust me, you have to be strong to can overcome the pressure that comes with playing against male.
Williams admits that she was massively disappointed with the competition not being played last year.
I had high expectations for regionals last year. I mean, I was at my fittest. I could feel it that, you know, that year would be my year where I know I would perform. I would get runs. You know, I would score runs on top of runs on top of runs. I could feel it, and my fitness was at its peak. As I said before, you know, my batting was lovely. Everything was just on par.
Williams is currently in camp with the West Indies women in Antigua. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.